Today we'll talk about how can you log in with QR code on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on money. Down here, you just click here on money. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings. Here you just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account and security. You just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on login with QR code. You just click on it here, and here you just click here on while using the app. Then automatically it's going to take you to here login. It's going to show for you to login with your QR code. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.